Rapper Lil Peep dies aged 21 of suspected overdose. The New York rapper, who discussed drug use in his music, posted a video online hours before his death. Lil Peep, a fast-rising rapper whose emotional tracks charted depression and drug use, has died aged 21. His UK representative confirmed the news to The Guardian. Gustav R., who grew up in Long Beach, New York, was reportedly taken to hospital following an overdose, according to music manager Adam Grandmaison. In a video R posted online hours before his death, he said he had taken prescription drugs and other substances, saying, "I'm good, I'm not sick." The rap world has paid tribute to him, with Dlathu writing on Twitter that R had so much more to do, man, he was constantly inspiring me, and fellow producer Marshmallow writing, "Peep was the nicest person. Hanging out with him, talking to him about music, the song ideas we were going to do together and touring was so amazing." Chart-topping rapper Post Malone said R was a great friend to me and a great person. "Your music changed the world and it'll never be the same." Following a string of self-released mixtapes that blended cold trap production with highly emotional, soul-searching emo lyricism, and earned him a cult following, Lil Peep released his debut album Come Over When You're Sober, Part 1, in August this year. His eye-catching dress sense and numerous tattoos also earned him attention in the fashion world. He did catwalk shows for the likes of Lone, and Mario Testino photographed him for V Magazine. Sarah Stennett, the CEO of First Access Entertainment, a company who partnered with the rapper last year, said, "I am shocked and heartbroken. I do not believe Peep wanted to die. This is so tragic. He had huge ambition and his career was flourishing. I have spoken to his mother and she asked me to convey that she is very, very proud of him and everything he was able to achieve in his short life."